If you want to see steps on your Apple Watch, first of all, you have to start using your iPhone, and we have to go into the App Store and we have to download this pedometer application. It will actually allows you to count steps and show them on your face. So once you actually downloaded this application from the App Store, go to the open, and we have to accept all of those permissions just one by one. So accept basically everything. You don't have to get the premium, you can just click X in the left upper corner. And right now what we have to do is just to open the watch application on our iPhone and scroll until you find the pedometer application. It's available just over here. There we go. Now it should be available on our Apple Watch. So what we have to do is just to go into our watch faces and simply pick this one that will allows you to get some complications. So I have to pick this one. So let's activate this watch face and let's pick the complication. So maybe I will replace this one, the sub dial right. Instead of the activity rings, I would like to add the pedometer application. It's just over here. So as you can see, we can go for the more, we can only set steps only. There we go. And now we have to click to set as a current watch face. So as you can see, I can view my steps all the time on my watch face, and currently that's the 0. But if I start moving, this number will change, and you can see this all the time. So that's basically everything. I hope you find it useful.